Good design is something that functions really well.
You're solving a problem.
Explore your own creativity.
Go beyond expectations.
It's always going to be changing.
New experience.
What could I change to make it better?
It's a very fun profession.
Great discipline.
Connecting the room, the house, to the city, to the landscape.
To make it better.
Willingness to learn.
How people move within a space.
The latest technology. You are an inventor.
Great passion.
What is that space meant to be?
You make something work, and then you make it great.
Be creative.
Sometimes we like to call it interior architecture because you are actually designing the architecture of the interior space.
Not so much, what color is on the wall or what material is going to be on the floor, but actually understanding what is that space meant to be or meant to be used as.
You're looking how the actual space functions and how human activity works within that environment.
There's many, many avenues that a student can take. We have students who are retail designers, lighting designers, residential and commercial, hospitality design. So that's the greatest thing about this profession. You don't have to sort of pigeonhole yourself into one area.
That diversity allows the students to sort of focus as they're going through the program on areas that really interest them.
At Illuminating Concepts, we do entertainment design such as Comerica Park. We work with the architect, interior designer, and the electrical engineer. We wanted to harken back to the old days of Detroit. We were able to find a fixture from 1920, so we mimicked it. We took all the measurements, found a manufacturer that would create new molds for us, and revived the old look so that when people are down here, they feel comfortable, they feel safe, bring people back to Detroit. And now, actually, the Comerica streetlight is part of the Detroit Standard, and you'll see it pop up all around downtown Detroit now.
I've always been interested in art, and it's a great course for using your artistic ability. I like design. Making something from nothing, that's my favorite part about it. And just being able to do whatever you want with it. My favorite part about the course is it's not just picking out colors and just like cookie cutter kind of stuff. It's more, you could actually think and put your mind to something and design architecturally instead of just colors and covering up stuff. And it's rewarding to see the finished product of your design.
It's expressing what the client wants. It's learning about how to detect what a client wants. The faculty are willing to help us all the time.
That's the good part. They don't just say, this is what you have to do. They let you go off and do your own thing and present your project the way that you feel it should be presented.
The faculty here work as a team, and the students pick up on that.
I try to bring it into all my classrooms an applied portion, and that's something that they can take and actually use in the industry. We really emphasize having students learn from each other, looking at each other's work, critiquing each other, and then asking the question, well, okay, if something's not right, what can I do to make it better? And never being truly satisfied with their own work, always asking, well, I could change something, or what could I change to make it better? They are ready for the industry. The quality of output that they're doing is just that strong, that can compete with the industry.
We look at it in the fact that we're guiding them. You get hands-on with projects, and we like to make the project as real as possible, so you're getting experience with applying the design principles that you're learning.
You actually physically go in there and figure out the details. How am I going to make this thing work? We've got the facilities here to generate those ideas into a physical form.
The instructors are out of this world. They're the best. Very friendly. They become like family, and I haven't found that anywhere else.
It may sound strange, but design is a lot like skateboarding. It's a great sport. What's interesting about skateboarding is that when you're riding, you're always looking for a line. You're looking for one trick to get picked up to another trick. There's this freedom involved in it. It's, one move after another and possibly pick up that first trick and relate it to, the next trick. In an environment, one design should lead to another design and then to another. And I bring this kind of approach to my students. And then I ask questions and they're asking questions back and forth. Nice. If you design it, we got to build it.